Welcome to the Finga.Studio introductory tutorial. Finga.Studio. Select keys, tones, modes, chords, pentatonics, and so on from the app to better learn the theory behind what a guitarist is playing. Includes pre-built patterns for learning scales and scale sequence exercises.
Stuck playing the same old guitar box? Want to unlock the whole neck without getting bogged down in 500 pages of dry music theory? Tired of learning songs and not really getting where you want to be as a guitar player?
That's where Finga.Studio comes in. The fretboard lights up with glowing dots so you see the exact shape of the scale right in your browser.
No memorizing neck positions first. You follow the dots, hear how the notes fit together, and build muscle memory naturally.
Slide the shape up or down the neck, and the notes sound the same, just higher or lower. Same pattern, new key. Zero math required.
Zero risk of getting lost on the guitar neck. You can always hit the reset button. Open Finga.Studio, hit the app, and start exploring right now. What will you learn tonight?
Ready for the hands-on breakdown? Head over to Finga.Studio and load video number 2 for the full A minor pentatonic lesson. Grab your guitar and let's roll!